What's up guys, Jake here again, and on today's episode we're going to do another mod. Hopefully you guys liked our previous mod of our new ditch lights. If you guys haven't seen that, be sure to check out the previous video. But today we're going to install another lighting feature, and that is new headlights. We've been running some retrofit headlights for a while now, and we wanted to switch things up and just do something a little simpler, some plug and play headlights. So there's some new headlights out on the market, and they are from Anzo. So stay tuned as we install some sequential headlights with startup feature from Anzo. First things first, we're gonna get all of the old headlights and grill off just like that. So super simple. Hopefully that little time lapse helped you guys figure out how to get the headlights and grill off. Obviously, like I said, it's a little different if you have a front bumper. It'd be a little easier to take the bumper off, but decided to shimmy my way without taking the bumper off to get that grill off. If you guys aren't wanting to scratch some of your grill up, then I recommend taking your bumper down if you have a bumper there. So we'll move on over to the Anzo headlights and show you guys what it comes with. Wanted to show you guys what comes in the box of these Anzo headlights. Sorry about it being on a concrete ground here. This is what I have to work with. My little house here. We're actually moving at the end of this month, so we'll have hopefully a garage in the future. But basically, here's one headlight. Second headlight comes with the user manual. It comes with a step-by-step manual as well, and then here's all of the wiring kit too. Huge shout out to Anzo for making quality lights, shipping them out with fast shipping, and also great packaging. These headlights were in there and no damage whatsoever. So let's hop on over to the Tacoma and throw them on. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go through the wire harness that Anzo sends with all of their headlights here. They even include some of their own zip ties here, which is super awesome. So we're gonna open this guy up and see what's all included in here. As you can see, we do have a little bit of a wire harness here. So what we'll do is we're gonna run this, kind of hide it through under here. So one can connect from the left side, one can connect to the right side, and then there's a positive and a negative here that will hook up to the battery. So we're gonna run that real quick. So we'll see you in a sec. All right, so first things first on this harness, we left it loose and we'll zip tie everything in nice and easy once we get everything connected here. But there is a little bit of splicing that you guys are gonna have to do. Now on my old headlights, I've already spliced this guy, but basically this is where your driver's side turn signal light is. It's just a little 2-pin guy here, and it'll have a salmon colored wire, which is your positive, and then it'll have this white and black wire, which is your negative. So basically what we're gonna do is, with the provided connector here, we're gonna slide this through, if we can here. We'll slide this through here. Then we're gonna take on the harness, we're gonna take this yellow guy, we'll twist this guy. Comes through just like that. Then we're gonna tighten everything down. Push this into place. All right, now that you guys have that spliced through there, you're gonna grab the wire, the yellow wire that has the 4-pin connector, and you're gonna grab the harness that has this little control box right here, and you're just gonna plug this guy right in. Should snap in just like that. We're gonna go grab the headlights and get to installing and connecting the rest of the connectors there. All right, next up, after we've got our positive and negative terminals connected to the battery, we're gonna work on connecting the headlights to the connectors here. So we'll just connect these guys in. Now that we've got all the connections together on this side, we're gonna just slowly and carefully slide these headlights into your new home. Just like so. We'll get this guy all lined back up with its connector right here. All right, on to the next side. All right, before I forget, we're gonna add this one support piece on the side here. So we're just gonna move the front bumper out of the way. We're gonna line these guys right up like so. Get in there. There we go. And then there's a little clip on both sides, right side, left side, and it's just gonna clip back through here. So we're gonna move the fender flare out of the way here. And we'll just punch that back in, punch that back in. OEM bolts back in where the tabs are on the top. It's just two 10mm bolts. We'll get the grill on and show you guys what these look like. Well, the Anzo headlights are in. Let us know what you guys think. Here's the startup. I personally think it's the coolest thing ever. So it's nice to finally have some working DRLs back on the truck. We're gonna come out later tonight and do some more reviews on the headlights themselves when it's darker out. But overall, super easy install. Anzo gives you guys an easy instruction manual to show you guys how to install these. They're plug and play minus that one splice that we showed you earlier in the video. And until next time, we'll be wandering.